This is Bill. Bill is a reliability engineer. His job is to keep machines running in his facility. He wants to avoid the downtime and extra maintenance costs associated with replacing machines that suffer mechanical failures. Bill's company has a preventative maintenance plan implemented to keep their machines up and running. He monitors maintenance timelines and meticulously replaces parts and machines based on estimated failure times. But, despite Bill's hard work, he has a failure on his fan due to an ice buildup hitting the fan blades that results in an imbalance. Bill is frustrated since his fan was fitted with a mechanical vibration switch that should have stopped the machine before it destroyed itself, but he finds out the switch is a cheap, ineffective technology from the Dark Ages. What Bill didn't realize is mechanical switches, also known as earthquake switches, are only meant to shut down a machine to stop collateral damage, meaning that they're not designed to be dedicated vibration protection, but instead simply a safety device. In other words, it might keep a fan blade from slinging across the shop floor, but it won't prevent catastrophic damage to the machinery. So, in an attempt to avoid future issues, Bill decides to switch to a dedicated proactive maintenance schedule and purchases an expensive portable vibration data collector. This only makes Bill's job more hectic, as he now has to use a large chunk of his time running from machine to machine to collect the dynamic vibration data to ensure everything is running smoothly. However, inevitably Bill has another machine failure, this time on the pump. Once again, Bill is frustrated. Due to cavitation, one of many possible unforeseen process errors, Bill's pump is ruined. He's forced to buy a new impeller for the pump, but even with the expedited delivery, the downtime is extremely expensive. Now Bill's boss is frustrated. Bill does his best to explain to his boss how he's done everything in his power to keep the machine running, but due to a very sudden failure like cavitation, ice buildup on fans, or slugs of liquid getting into compressors, not all failures can be prevented with a walk-around maintenance system. Bill's boss finds this explanation unacceptable and tells Bill about a company called Machine Saver that installs state-of-the-art vibration monitoring systems that can actively prevent failures and unscheduled plant shutdowns by protecting machines real-time and providing actionable dynamic data 24/7. Bill is ecstatic when he hears about Machine Saver's inexpensive 3-axis vibration and temperature sensor. When talking with Machine Saver's team, he starts to realize how much easier and more efficient his job will be. Bill's boss is also thrilled when he hears that the whole package per bearing costs about the same as that old outdated mechanical switch. Now Bill gets to do his job diligently and distraction-free from his desk, his home, or anywhere else in the world thanks to Machine Saver's web portal with text message and email alerts. Machine Saver's monitors give Bill the superhuman ability to foresee machine problems months before they even happen. Much like a doctor reading his patient's chart, Bill can monitor trending, time wave forms, and a spectrum of his machine's diagnostics to ensure everything is running perfectly. Bill can finally rest easy, knowing that sudden machine failures, like the unfortunate ice buildup earlier, are now preventable due to the alarms set on the overall vibration of his machines connected to the interface of the plant's control computers. The Machine Saver solution even texts Bill's cell phone and sends him an email report when a potential problem is detected. Bill is now spending his valuable time tending to machines that actually have problems, instead of wasting time taking readings from perfectly healthy machines. Even though it was his idea, Bill's boss thinks Bill is a savvy employee and promotes him several times over. Now Bill does all of his work from an island in the Caribbean, thanks to Machine Saver's remote monitoring capabilities. Take it from Bill. Superior technology makes your life easier. Find out more by calling our friendly Machine Saver reliability experts at 1-832-581-9908 or email us today at sales@machinesaver.net. Machine Saver, the solution before the problem.